good morning, Hammy Hunters, and here we are again at another Toddy's Digs. And I know I say it every week it's going to be a good one, but I think this is going to be a really good one. We're on land similar, quite close to where we were last week, where the Bronze Age stuff came up, so there's a chance of Bronze Age coming up again. The weather's been kind to us, it's going to be no hard sunshine, but it'll be warm. But we've had a wee bit of moisture in there and a wee bit of rain overnight, so hopefully the ground's a wee bit kinder to the spades. And we've got a fantastic turnout. I know there's a couple of the other clubs that aren't digging this week, but that's maybe one of the reasons. But we've got over 70 people. When I checked the form last night, I thought we were having a rally this week. And talking to rallies, Toddy's not here this week, and I think that's what he's doing, he's organising the rally, so keep your eye on the forum and on Toddy's Facebook page, because you'll see it coming up very, very soon. Right, I need to go out and catch up with the guys, so I'll see you when I get on the field, guys. Well, there they go, guys, that was some turnout away down there. I thought it was a rally today. Right, well, here you go.
That's just my horse buckle.
Oh, your first buckle. Well done, mate.
First hole.
First hole. Can you beat it? Right, I better get filming here. Right, guys, we've got a great permission here today. Masses and motors, guys are already digging. And we've got, this was an extra wee bonus field we got this morning, but we've got another 2 big fields, so we weren't expecting this field, but we got it, so that's good. And here's Eddie down here on his knees. Eddie just flew in for Los Angeles this morning. Huh? He just flew in for Los Angeles this morning.
Just setting.
Oh,
it's like concrete.
Your name's going to be mud with your missus there for getting her out in her shorts. Sit in the side.
Alright. Oh, this is tough digging, this is.
Ah, it's just sitting on the side there.
Pinpoint on that big coil's not too good.
Oh, what's that?
A button.
Is it? Oh, it's just the way it's broken after it was a wee shield there. Oh.
That's the one.
Yeah, it's a big tom back. That's your first one anyway. I thought it would have been a bit softer actually, because with a wee bit of rain.
It's nothing here, I think it's a bit of iron.
A bit of iron?
I think so.
That's the second wee buckle up today.
Well, that worked for that.
It could just as easily have been a hammy.
But the ground is hard.
Aye. Well done, mate.
Tarpaulin ring actually, eh?
Oh, tarpaulin ring?
Aye. Yeah. That was deep, wasn't it? Deep.
Huh? There's wee Cameron, right? He is. So you got a buckle?
Buckle, that's mine, but he's had that and that.
Well done.
Irish.
It's an Irish one, eh?
Oh, brilliant.
That was a last system.
1834.
Okay. We'll take a wee photo then, mate.
There you go, mate.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
Heel, that's what I like about it.
Aye.
I'm not sure, but there's plenty of people digging, like.
Aye, that's nice, I like that. That's... I mean, I don't think that's been a toy in it, no.
No, has it been part of a fit? What's it been part of?
I don't know, but it's no a toy.
No, no.
Oh, that's nice, I like that. Right guys, here's Marek with a lovely bullhead, George III. That's nice, eh? Well done, mate. Here's this guy for YouTube again.
What's happening, buddy? Don't you put me on fucking video, my wife will catch me.
You're supposed to be working today.
Off on it, Alex? Off? We're needing some of the wet stuff, eh?
Aye. Needs the push down.
Okay. About nothing. About nothing?
A bit of buckle. Can it be a bit of nothing? You don't get a bit of nothing, it'd be a bit of buckle. It's a bit of nothing.
Aye, I'll get a wee picture. Aye.
A nice one.
Oh, aye.
Yeah, how's that? So as you can see it.
Aye,
Well done.
I actually thought with the AT Pro it was coming up like it was a 2 pence. Coming up 83.
I need to dig.
So I wasn't even going to dig it. I thought people have walked past it because it's been not very good, but I'm chuffed to bits with that.
Well guys, I had a really faint signal here and it's really deep. I don't think it's iron, but you never know. It's no rusty anyway, so it must be modern iron, but the way it's doing in there, it's here. So it's doing the depth of my pointer, but I'll take a wee minute or two to dig it out carefully in case it's something I shouldn't be knocking hell out of. Then I'll get back to you. Well, it turned out to be a bit of a brass horse harness. You can see where I scraped it a bit there. But it was really deep, so I'm quite surprised that I'm getting that depth with these ground conditions in it. Right, hammer on. There you go, a wee watch winder. Haven't had one of them for yonks. Can't mind the last time I had one of them. So that's not bad.
Got one.
Did you see Pfeiffer's Rob Roy?
Rob Roy what?
He's got this wee figure thing.
Has he?
It's got Rob Roy at the bottom of it.
I didn't see that.
It's a wee cracker.
I need to seek him out. I don't know what this is. I think it's some sort of what, a dress buckle. Off a uniform.
Aye.
Some sort of dress buckle. With a gold gild, that's obviously. That's what I'm saying, dress.
Aye. I wonder if there'd been something on the front to say the 3 holes.
I think it's fallen off, that's what I'm saying. Something's fell off it.
Aye.
Or rotted off, it's maybe made out of iron.
Aye.
This is rotted off.
It's a pity because that's been a nice one, but look at it.
Yeah. Not as good as my American one.
Oh aye, that was a cracker.
Yep.
Aye, you'll not find another one like that here.
Is it buttons and then coins, is it?
Apart from rubbish.
No, it's a watch winder.
A whaty?
A watch winder.
Is that what it is? Ah, right.
Goes on a
Oh!
Yeah. Do you?
That wee paddle steamer.
Oh, lovely. Yeah. Yeah, I thought it was something a bit on.
That's a cracker.
That was over there.
Yeah.
I'm
Sorry, what's your names on the forum?
Enid.
Enid and
Ian.
Ian.
Yeah.
Nice to meet these guys. I'm Alex. Cameron, top detectorist.
Aye. I need some lessons.
Follow him.
No, I need lessons. You need to just tell me what to listen for.
That's nice wee man. Wait till I get a wee photo of that. And a wee printing block there. I think it's a W or it could be an M, depending. I hacked it with the spade a wee bit, but there you go, that's something. And a wee bag seal. Haven't had one of them for a wee while either. Don't know if there's anything on it right enough, any markings, but I'll take it. Right, Sandy, come and show us it. They're all talking about it here.
Yeah, the new white coil.
Aye, I know, I've got one too. I think we've all got one.
Hey,
The ground applause here. Drum roll.
drum roll.
Oh, all wrapped up.
Oh, that's a wee stonker.
Oh wow,
This is right, it might be solid.
that is a beauty, isn't it?
Ah, it isn't half. I beat the rest of it, wasn't it?
Could be, Jamie. That could be.
That's all they ever come up like, on it.
That could be.
I wouldn't think it's
Compare it with my watchwinder.
Aye,
Aye,
you swap.
that is a beauty, isn't it?
Nice one. It's heavy enough, isn't it?
Oh, well done,
That is
mate.
gold. It feels heavy enough.
The look, the was silver.
Right, there we go.
A button. Oh, shit.
Try and get one.
Ah, it was a button. Forget about that, mate.
Get up here.
Oh, aye.
It wasn't a day, by the way. I got that elsewhere.
Aye.
Nice, isn't it?
I was going to say I've seen one like that before, but aye, that is lovely, aye.
That's nice, that one. That'll clean up. Well, that's better than that one.
Aye.
That's what you know. Spectators.
Been a couple of these come up with it.
Yeah.
Somebody got a bill of shilling.
Aye, it was a love token.
Was it a love token?
No, I think he got some guy got a...
Who got the love token?
That's a George something, I can't mind. Somebody butt on it. They can just make it the big guy's face.
George the Third, aye.
Says
Oh.
it might have been a Bobby, but he's not sure because it's
Aye, George the Third, that's okay.
a dandy button. Who knows? Who knows? I think your coins were better than mine.
Oh, what that one is.
I'll see if what a toothbrush can bring up on it, but
Aye. I think it's a halfpenny. I think it's a halfpence.
aye.
Oh, here they come. That right?
No idea.
Something.
Maybe.
No. Never know. Never know.
Yeah, like cartwheel.
You got a cartwheel. So you got the silver, your first silver, and a big cartwheel. Well done.
Just what I just before I left there.
Brilliant. Everybody's doing well except me.
Yes.
Those are good coins.
Yeah, that's quite a decent one, aye.
Once you get a bit of water on
Aye.
it, anyway.
There's some scrap for you then.
Ah, you hold on your scrap.
Spare head, you know.
Yes.
And a ball ring. Oh, the one hold it.
Like a stitch of paper.
Rubbish.
Who was it was showing up that way? It was wet.
Just be careful cleaning that. That stuff will take some of the detail if you like that.
Sorry, Christmas was.
Well, that's not good.
Hey.
Like a ruler. Giant ruler.
That's
Oh,
what it
aye,
is. Aye.
aye.
Takes a gina.
Very good, aye.
Oh, it's a Bunhead Vicky. Aye, that's a nice one.
Aye, so
And
aye.
a big button.
Yeah.
Ah, no bad.
Ah, could be worse, aye.
That's after bought me a lavage chain.
You reckon?
Why not?
Hey Alex, what have you got? You've always got something, mate. Oh,
Flooring.
look, that's a flooring.
Let me show my best find for today.
Oh, that's a cracker. Aye.
Like horseshoe.
They'll clean up well, actually. Aye. Put it in your garden.
This one, I think it's interesting one. Farling,
Oh, aye.
1800 something.
One farthing, 18.
Farthing?
Aye, 18 something.
Really?
That's no bad neck, you don't see them usually coming up, and it's good neck.
This, I don't know what this is.
It's what do you call them?
I take me
I think it comes off like the horse harnesses. It's like a brass boss thing, it's on the front of the horse harnesses. You get bigger ones, the same shape, or like they come off shields, but usually the smaller ones are horse harnesses.
Hook him up and one big bucket shorts.
George.
Have you want to see the difference?
George V.
This one have no idea what it is.
That green.
Like a wee,
Yeah,
like a wee pulley wheel or something.
something
Yeah.
doesn't look very
You
interesting.
wonder how the hell they're like that.
And that's about it.
Especially in the same place, you know.
Aye. And the farming as well.
Ah, well done, guys. As long as you're having a good day, that's all we want.
There's a trick.
Yep.
1910, Edward VIII.
Alright, that's nice. No bad neck.
Alright, we'll find one of them before, not Edward anyway.
1910.
Usually a George or a
Aye.
Mickey or something. Sorry. Sandy, aye.
Wee Sandy. Wee Sandy.
Aye.
Gold watch finder.
Aye.
Aye, nice one.
Symbol.
What's
3 tokens under
3
Can you
tokens?
read it? I don't know. There's something like that. That's it.
No, near about.
That was nice. Give me a wee fright, that.
Aye.
Something like that.
There,
It's
boy.
fun.
Oh, Stuart just won a bit of silver.
Ah, nice one, Sean.
Sandy.
A nice one.
1910.
Right, in 1919.
My silver's 1850.
I seen it in Taglio.
You got a bit of silver?
Taglio. It came out.
No.
I got it away. I got it in Taglio by the boys as well. In Taglio.
See, I couldn't get round.
If I never lost it.
John had me blethering for flipping 3 years out there.
Toddy, aye.
It's on your mind.
Kinda.
Tricky, yeah.
Tricky, is it?
James and that, is it no?
Sixpence.
It looks like shape anyway.
Sixpence.
That's a nice one.
Put your pen in the machine and it flattens it for you.
Oh, I need to go and get it. It's a left
Got a
off.
wee photo, yeah.
You want for it?
Ah. Paddy will tell you. Paddy will tell you. Oh, it's been on a fire.
Oh, could have been in the field and went in fire, eh? When they settled. Please tell me it's a hamster. I'm fed up no digging up hammies.
It's thin enough. But there's just nothing on it. There's
Ah.
nothing on it to get away, mate.
What else is it? What else
The
is
thing
it?
is, it's bent.
So it could have been a love token. Aye.
You know what I mean? It is bent, but then that could have happened when it was in the fire as well. It could be, but I can't say it is because there's nothing on it to get away at all. Not a thing. It's thin enough. And it's the
Aye.
right size.
Oh, fucking hell, a heady penny or something.
There's nothing on it. It's all, if it's been in a fire, obviously when they used to set the fuels on fire,
Aye.
instead of hanging. You know what I mean? I've had a silver like that before. I had a fake gold.
I found a
Fake gold coin that's been in the fire and it's the same, it's all wee bumps and bubbles.
myself, I thought I found a gold sovereign earlier on, it was a fucking button.
There's one on the side you can almost see, it's maybe even like a shield or something, like a James or a Lizzie or something.
Right, it's gone, it's just goes up.
Break it home.
Aye, take a hammer to it.
Aye. I've had rocks like that and the beat
There's
like
a-
hell. It must be
on a wee
iron ore or
car.
something. Oh aye.
Don't know what kind of motor it is, well before my day, but
Oh, it's like a wee Wolseley.
on this, I think it's a wee stamp thing.
Aye, printer's block. Alex got one. He's got a W. Buttons.
There's the thing right there.
Aye.
See it?
I've
See the
actually
dots?
seen that under the
Dot,
dot.
dot, dot, right there. It looks like a letter R.
So,
See there?
Yep. That's what it is, aye.
You see anything on it?
Aye, look.
Letter R.
Ah.
So I've zoomed in with the magnifier. Look, see the writing round here with the wee edge? You've got a letter R there,
Oh, aye.
and then there's dots, dot there, and the dot out there. See them? It looks like the edge of a straight line there, as if it's a cross. You might have.
Well done, mate.
You might have a hammy. But it's been in a fire. It's definitely been in the field when the field's been set on fire.
I went in there with one coin, mate.
Doc, you got a love token, didn't you?
Yeah. What's it?
The dots and stuff on it and the wee letters, but the letter R's kind of, you'll not be able to see what you can make it out, that's the thing. That's why I always use a magnifier on my phone.
What
I feel when I walk fast with that,
iPhone?
I
No,
can't pick it.
Samsung Galaxy
So I
9.
walk slow.
Just download their magnifier. Download it on that.
Aye.
It just basically
I mean,
hangs it.
finding
zooms
things
the
at
picture
10
right
inches
up.
done.
I've managed to get a letter R off it.
Letter R, that's it.
It's been burnt.
Yeah, isn't it?
You're finding hammies, but tell me it's a hammy.
Nothing on that at all, is there?
There's a wee letter R, but you need the magnifier to zoom right in it.
I got one in the car. Got my magnifier.
There's a 6-ounce silver spoon and the wee silver bit off the bottom of the bottom stick.
Nice.
Oh, cool.
So that's mine.
Look at that.
Not bad. Well worn, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Edward the 8th, 6th, 1910. Full silver.
That's yours, Toddy.
That's a 16 cent
Oh,
or
aye.
A shilling, sorry, aye.
what's there? The coins that I've seen that have came up are really clean. Even Brian's, you seen Brian's, what did you call it? He got a florin. And it's,
I heard of them.
They're coming out clean. I mean, that come out like that.
I've seen that. Yeah, seen your shoulders that one. It's like that. That came out no bad. But you want to see the imprint here? Absolutely perfect. On both sides.
It's a big, is it? Was that a shilling?
Yeah.
I got a James
What's your opinion, but?
James second head, no, George second.
George the second. Facing that way, is it?
Yeah.
Ah, aye, aye, aye.
You want my hamster?
Oh, aye. Uh-huh.
Well, what else could it be?
Right guys, here's Stuart again. What have we got this time?
Oh, it's a copper thing, but it's weird. It's got the writing around the...
It's got light around the outside of it.
Alright.
Might be a token.
I got a token, yeah.
Some sort of token. You can see the writing around the outside.
Again, it's different, isn't it?
Oh,
Tell you,
okay,
man,
aye.
they're all going home. Luckily, this place is 3 or 4 coins in a row, I think.
Well, hello hammy hunters, and that's us for another day, and it's been a good day here in Toddy's Digs. I think we've had about 4 big fields. I actually only got onto 2. I never actually got onto the last couple of fields because I kept getting interrupted to take videos and catching up with the guys and stone and blether, and you know how it is, so I never got a lot of digging done, to be honest. Hence the fact I never got a lot, just a couple of buttons and couple of horse harnesses and whatever you saw in the video there. But anyway, it was still a good day, and next week Toddy is trying to organise a double dunter, so that'll be a Saturday and a Sunday. on good land, and believe me, this is good land. If we can swing it, we'll have a double done at the Saturday and the Sunday. So get onto Toddy's forum and keep your eye on that one, and also you'll get a chance to see the things that came up the day I never caught. There've been a good number of silvers came up today, and a wee gold watch winder that you saw there, and other things. So go into Toddy's forum and catch the stuff I missed. So until next week, guys, and we meet again hopefully on the Saturday and the Sunday on Toddy's Digs. You guys be safe, take care, good luck, happy hunting.